How to choose the paper suitable for your design? We have many kinds of paper. According to the use, can be divided into writing paper, sketch paper, and watercolor paper. According to the color, can be divided into white paper, ivory paper, off-white paper. According to the weight of paper, from 52 grams to 300 grams are available. Notebook size, thickness, usage, and so on are the factors that need to be considered when choosing paper. If you are not sure what kind of paper you need, please let us know your notebook's usage and design details, and let us recommend it to you.